and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sneha, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe down below and press that bell icon so that you don't miss any of the notifications. Now, coming on to this video topic, it is like I wanted to film this video from a very long time because I had seen a lot of YouTubers talking about their skincare and sharing their skincare routine. So right now in this video, actually I'll be sharing this routine. This is the day one of my routine, and I'll be sharing with you after 7 days what result that I'm gonna see by using this Korean skincare routine using Indian brands. And I had used a lot of Korean brands as well. I had used Innisfree, I had used Face Shop, I had used many more. I don't remember their names, but I had used a lot of them. So I would say that Innisfree works the best for my skin. It's too good, and just use the essence and lotion and you will see the difference on the spot, because that is too good, essence that I have used since yet. But I thought, why not to turn on to the Indian brands and see what magic they are gonna work for my skin. And so I decided to switch on to this brand, which is a Good Vibes, and I had bought their complete skincare range, and let's see how they're gonna work. दिस इज़ हाउ आई रिसीव्ड ऑल माई प्रोडक्ट्स. इनको बहुत अच्छे से पैक किया हुआ था, बबल रैपिंग बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ की थी ताकि मेरे प्रोडक्ट सेव रहें. एंड ये चीज़ मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छी लगी. एंड ऑन एंड ऑल सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे से पैक थे एंड आई लाइक देम. Okay, so I had cleansed my face earlier with the Good Vibes face wash, and I'm gonna use this face mask. First of all, it smells too good, and I'm gonna apply an even layer all over my skin. After completing the application of this, you have to massage your face for 5 minutes and then keep it for 10 minutes. After that, you have to wash your face with lukewarm water or with cold water. So now I am using a very soft towel to just pat dry my face, and look this, my skin looks too clean after using this. Like, my skin was feeling too soft at that time, and you can definitely see the results. And when I was filming this video, I just got my eyeshadows, cuffs and lashes, and I'm going to do a review video on this as well. Okay, so moving on to the next step, it is the toner, and I'm going to use the cucumber toner. This is too soothing and too calming. When you will use it, you will come to know. Now for the serum, I have two serum, but right now I'm going to use the rose hip ones. It is too soft. Like, after using this, my skin was feeling like a velvet, and I was able to glide easily onto my skin. It's too good. You must try it on. It is the best seller on the purple side. And when you will open it, when you are gonna smell this, you can see it's not that much good, but it's 50-50. It's okay, and sometimes it's not okay. Of why you are applying this serum. So that's it, what I did. I just massaged in the upward direction very well so that my skin can totally get the benefit of it. Have a must try serum. Actually, the Korean skincare also involves the sheet mask, but I'm not going to use it today because I'm using the serum and the essence as well, and my skin was feeling too good, so I'm not going to use that. I'm going to skip this step, but once in a week you can actually go with this. Now we have the second step, that is this essence. Okay, so I have two essence, but I'm going to use the green tea ones because actually I had used the Innisfree essence and lotion as I mentioned earlier in the video, but it was my favorite essence. But when I actually opened this and I was totally nostalgic with the fragrance of this essence, because it was totally similar to the ones that was the Innisfree ones, and I've wanted to try it on at that point. And when I just tried the formula, the texture, the glow, everything was similar to that Innisfree ones, and I was so impressed. Like, you are getting like 1800 ki cheese in, like around 150 or 160 rupees, and that's a very good thing. Like, Good Vibes essence is very good. Like, it was a little bit, watery consistency, not as thick as the serum was, but yeah, it was good. It's completely absorbed like into my skin and provided it a glow, and I was really very happy. You have to be just very delicate when you are using all these products, because it's very important that your skin absorbs them. Because if your skin is not absorbing it, then there is no use of using this, because you are just wasting your money. So be patient with all the products you're using. Like, on the day you apply it, it's not that you will see the results at that point. Okay, so just be patient. And I'm using this towel so that excess can remove, and it can the heat can actually make the essence absorb into my skin. That's the only reason why I'm doing this. And yeah, I'm done with my skincare, and here's the result. And I was like really shocked to see my skin after that. Like, after the skincare was completed, it was too. So I hope that you enjoyed watching today's video, and if you enjoyed, then don't forget to comment down below that which product you are going to buy from Purple. And this actually the ending part, I am shooting it on the third day of my skincare routine, and I will update you on the seventh day, no, on the eighth day, after completing my whole processes, what I felt, and are these products up to the mark or not. I'm completely gonna update you with all those things. Like, what I did on the first day, I'm gonna repeat it on all the days except the masking step which I did on the first day. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and I'll meet you with a new video super soon with the review video on Cuffs and Lashes, that Somi palette. Till then, don't go out, stay home and stay safe.